I'm amazed. Nigeria did a lot of shipment to Poland. What is the value of Nigeria shipment to Poland? About $49 million. Nigerian ship rubber to Poland. Rubber to Poland. White sesame seed, processed rubber, white sesame seed. Welcome to another edition of Sharing Trade Information on DBA TV. Thank you for stopping by. In today's edition, we'll be talking again about countries you can export to, the product you can export to those countries, what those countries buy from Nigeria, which also gives you an idea of what you can ship to those countries. My name is Dela Imibo, and I'm your export doctor. Through this video, you know the country that buy from Nigeria, what they buy, and that gives you also an idea of what you can sell to those countries. Of what you can sell to those countries. Today, I will start with New Zealand. New Zealand. New Zealand is a country that Nigeria is not doing so much with New Zealand at all. Nigeria export to New Zealand is very small, only corn, starch, and locust beans. Corn, starch, and locust beans. How about Nicaragua? In Nicaragua, we have dry cashew nuts. For the shipment to New Zealand is just about $3,000, but the shipment to Nicaragua is about $193,000, and that includes dry ginger, hibiscus flower, dry hibiscus flower, and cashew nuts. But let's move to our neighbor that recently had a coup. I mean, of course, you and I know that Nigeria do a lot of business with Niger Republic. And of course, because of the current issue in Niger and the sanction of West Africa and Nigeria on them, they are currently having a lot of issues because they are not able to trade. But look at what Nigeria is doing with Niger. Over $47 million export to Niger. Look at what Nigeria is exporting to Niger. Nigeria export to Niger include tomato mix. Tomato mix. Nigeria export to Niger include solar cast, different variety of solar cast. Cigarette like Rotmas and London and Cravings. Rotmas. Nigeria exports palm fatty acid distillate. Palm fatty acid distillate to this country. What does Nigeria export to Niger Republic? Maggi seasoning. Maggi seasoning. Craven full flavor of cigarette. Craven full flavor of cigarette. These are the documented ones. CO2 gas. Nigeria exports CO2 gas to Niger Republic. Nigeria exports CO2 gas to Niger Republic. And different kinds of cigarette. As a matter of fact, the major trade of Nigeria with Niger Republic is cigarette. Major trade of Nigeria with Niger Republic is cigarette. Interestingly, Nigeria did a shipment last year to North Korea, just one shipment, $221,000, and that was aluminum ingots. Nigeria also did a shipment, some shipment last year, about $8 million to this country called North Sudan. What does Nigeria export to North Sudan? Dry split ginger, dudu osum, black soap, and refractory cement. Main shipment, over more than 80% of the shipment to North Sudan is dry split ginger. Nigeria also did some shipment to Norway, $534,000. To Norway, $534,000. And that includes sesame seed. Sesame seed is the only shipment of Nigeria to Norway. Nigeria also shipped to Oman, but it was dark reflective glass, about $1,059. But the shipment to Norway is about $534,000. Nigeria also did a shipment to Pakistan. What does Nigeria ship to Pakistan? Dry split ginger, goat skin, processed goat skin, raw cotton, gum arabic, waste cotton, vegetable goat skin, Nigeria also did some shipment to Panama, about $30,000. Major shipment to Panama is household plastic product. Major shipment of Nigeria to Panama is household plastic product. Nigeria also shipped to Peru. What did Nigeria ship to Peru? Nigeria did some shipment to Peru last year. About $566,000 is the shipment of Nigeria to Peru. What did Nigeria ship to Peru last year? Hibiscus flower. Hibiscus flower. You see those glasses I talk about? Those glasses I talk about. Look at the glasses. Dark bronze tinted glasses. Dark bronze. Remember, these glasses are used for buildings. If you can get hold of people producing this in Nigeria, I'm sure you can make a lot of money from them. Dark bronze tinted glasses. Dark bronze reflective glass, clear glass, build grade full glass, bronze treated glass, dark blue reflective glass, build grade glass. Nigeria also exports to Philippines. Nigeria exports to Philippines almost 1 million. But guess what Nigeria exports to Philippines? Wheat brand, $886,000 wheat brand. But when I look at Nigerian shipment to Poland, I'm amazed. Nigeria did a lot of shipment to Poland. What is the value of Nigerian shipment to Poland? About $49 million. Nigerian ship rubber to Poland. Rubber to Poland. White sesame seed, processed rubber, white sesame seed, palm kernel nuts, and palm kernel shell are shipped to Poland. Palm kernel nut and palm kernel shell are shipped to Poland. Palm kernel also. Palm kernel nut, palm kernel shell, orange peel. Can you imagine that? Orange peel. Orange peel are shipped to Poland. Nigerian sesame seed are shipped to Poland. Nigeria hibiscus flower are shipped to Poland. Lead oil, lead ingot, whole sesame seed, urea are shipped to Poland. Urea are shipped to Poland. Dry split ginger, cocoa shell. And I've seen a couple of cocoa shell being shipped to different countries. A couple of cocoa shell being shipped to different countries. Cocoa shell. African cashew nuts, cashew kernel are shipped to this country. Cashew kernel. Are you thinking of what you ship to Poland? Now you know what Nigeria currently ship to Poland and what you also can ship to Poland. Now you know what Nigeria currently ship to Poland and what you also can ship to Poland. Where else do Nigerians export to? Where else do Nigerians export to? Nigeria also export to Portugal. And it's interesting to also see that Nigerians do a lot of shipment to Portugal. About $3.2 million. What does Nigeria ship to Portugal? We have polyethylene, tetrapyrrolate plastic PET bottles, PET flakes. What does Nigeria ship to Poland? Palm kernel shell. What does Nigeria ship to Poland? Hot wash flakes. What does Nigeria ship to Poland? 100% cotton yarn. 100% cotton yarn. What does Nigeria ship to Poland? Plastic PET bottles. What does Nigeria ship to Poland? Plastic PET bottles. Before I close on this particular video, I will also be talking about another country that Nigeria export to, and that is Puerto Rico. Very small country. They call it number 51 for 54th country of America, Puerto Rico. And the only product Nigeria export to Puerto Rico, about $4 million, is wheat bran and wheat pellet. Wheat bran and wheat pellet. That is the product that Nigerian currently export to Puerto Rico. Let me see if I can do one more. Qatar. Nigerian export to Qatar is about $1.1 million. Cashew nut, cashew kernel. Cashew kernel is the only product Qatar buys from Nigeria. African cashew kernel. About $1.1 million African cashew kernel. That is the only product Nigeria exports, Qatar import from Nigeria. Also, Romania import from Nigeria. Romania import only charcoal, PET flakes, whole sesame seed, and rubbers. Rubber, processed rubber, TSR 10, TSR 20, processed rubber. Those are the items that Nigeria export to Romania. In the next video, we'll start by discussing what Nigeria exports to Russia, to Rwanda, and to Saudi Arabia. I believe this video has been of enough benefit to you again. You have learned one or two things again on what you can export. Remember, the goal is to find people you can partner with in those countries, learn about the product in that country, and learn about the how to find buyer through a Eureka Pack, find a partner in that country, use the video to have an idea of the product you can ship to that country and start exporting into those countries. My name is Medela Imibo, and I'm your export doctor. Remember to subscribe to this channel, share the video with your friends, like the video, and remember to drop your comment. Let me know other country you want me to talk about. See you in the next video. Bye for now. Bye-bye.